When you use ChatGPT, you start by typing something in the chat box. This is called a prompt. The prompt is like a message to ChatGPT, telling it what you want to know or talk about. It's like saying, "Hey, ChatGPT, can you help me with this, or tell me more about that?" So, a prompt can be any text, and there aren't hard and fast rules that must be followed like there are when you're writing code. But here's the catch: prompt creation is not an easy task. You have to carefully consider many factors and refine the prompts to make sure they work well. So, at a first glance, you may think that ChatGPT gave you impressive first responses to your prompts, but it is highly possible that you've just scratched the surface of its power. There's still a lot more it can do, and we are here to help you unleash its full potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for exciting tips and tricks to learn the art of prompting. Remember, the perfect answers are just a prompt away.